another ant over here to kill today?
Yes, sir. I killed one next to that outlet, behind that tower stand. And when I came downstairs to get Simba and get his food ready, I didn't see the ends.
Shop the new MeTV Mall for memorable items. Like our collection of summer favorites, including tank tops, t-shirts, and summer music records and CDs. Shop the new MeTVMall.com today. I'm Jonathan Lawson. If you're 50 to 85, I have an important message about security.
Ooh, I see a bird
on your screen, so you can call
on the
when I
tree.
finish. The lock I want to
So
talk to you about
ain't no
is
telling.
at the
Oh,
one on
some.
your door.
Okay.
This is a lock for your life insurance.
I don't
A
know
rate
if that
lock
could be the
that
mother or not, but that's a
guarantees that
robin.
once you're insured, your rate can never go up.
This
at
baby
any
bird
time
right
for
here
any
looks
reason.
different.
But be careful. Many policies you see do not have one. But you
He
can get
must
a
be calling
lifetime
out for
rate
his
lock
parents,
from
wherever
Colonial
they
Penn.
are.
Call this number to learn more. This plan was designed with a rate lock for people on a fixed income who want life insurance that fits their budget and is simple to get. Coverage options start at $9.95 a month, less than 35 cents a day. Act now, and your rate will be locked in for life. It will never increase, guaranteed. This is lifelong coverage that can never be canceled as long as you pay your premiums, guaranteed. And your acceptance is guaranteed, with no health questions. You cannot be turned down because of your health. Call